Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and loaded with features. Features also include leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, rear-view camera, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2012 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.